Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend continues here, and instead of doing an update and talking about how these levels of support would now be considered areas of resistance, I just don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So instead of converting these lines to red, what I want to do here is just really mainly focus on the overarching level to measure the strength of the bears. I get it. I'm stating the obvious when I say, yeah, the bears have a lot of strength right now, and there's a lot of selling pressure out there. And I get it, though. Selling pressure, that is just a word. That's a phrase. But that's why I love charts, is because they allow you to take phrases, they allow you to take words and make them more visual. And in this situation, that quote-unquote selling pressure is all about that purple line right there, which, again, on my chart represents the very famous, the very well-known 50-period moving average. So my point here is this. It's not a matter of the price never being able to make good moves. That right there was a nice little bounce. Nice little bounce. Even right here, nice little bounce. My point is you want to be skeptical of any sort of upwards movement until the price can at least prove itself. Okay, Clay, how does it prove itself? Well, again, that's where we go back to that purple line there. So until the price can actually get above that level and then stay up above it, then you got to be very skeptical. And I say stay above it because we have an example of that right here. We're sure the price got up above the purple line, but ultimately could not stay above it, fell back below it, and then from there has never been above it since then. So overarching wise, that's going to be the main area of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, key level to watch moving forward, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today, right down there at 0.033. So 0.033 will be the main level of support here headed into Friday. But overall, yeah, the downtrend continues, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. Maybe the price can try to get things at least stabilized out.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.